Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by grounding yourself and preparing tools: a Phillips screwdriver, ESD strap, and a small bowl for screws. Power down the laptop and unplug all peripherals. Remove a removable battery if present. Open the access panel or remove the back cover using even pressure and keep screws organized by location so you can reassemble easily. Once the chassis is open, locate the SSD M2 along an edge or a 2.5 bay and ensure you're on a static-free surface to prevent damage. Next, remove the SSD carefully. If it's an M2 module, unscrew the standoff, lift the drive at a shallow angle and slide it out of the slot. If it's a 2.5 SATA drive, disconnect the SATA/power connector or slide the drive out of its caddy. Keep the screw and standoff in your parts tray. Once removed, inspect the connector and slot for debris or bent pins and gently clean with compressed air. If swapping drives, align the notch and secure the module or caddy before proceeding. To finish, reassemble in reverse. Reinstall the SSD, secure its mounting screw, replace the back cover, and tighten screws evenly. Reconnect the battery and power on. Once booted, enter BIOS or your OS to confirm the drive appears and set boot order or initialize the drive as required. If the drive is not detected, first reseat it and swap the mounting screw. Ensure the connector is clean, update BIOS firmware, or test the SSD in an external USB adapter to isolate whether the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.